Welcome back students. Exercise 13.2. We are continuing from your NCERT book. Right? Few questions were left from page 248 of your textbook. Please check that. Question number 3, 4, 5 and question number 7. 4 questions were left. So we'll be taking them in order. All of them are related to volume. As in the previous video also you check, there were combination of figures and here also there are combination of figures in which he is telling us to find the volume. What does it say? A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. We know what is a gulab jamun and we know it has its taste because of its sugar syrup, chashni in what we call in Hindi. He says 30% of it, that volume of that gulab jamun is what? Sugar syrup. Okay. Find approximately how much sugar syrup will be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends of length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. Now the shape of the gulab jamun has changed. Right now the gulab jamun that we have in market, they are spherical in shape, but here he says it is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. In the previous exercise, if you remember, we had done the same shape in the shape form of a capsule. There the dimensions were in millimeters. Here the dimensions are in centimeter. The diameter is 5 centimeter. Yes or no? Sorry, the length is 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8. Diameter is 2.8 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter, and the length of this gulab jamun is 5 centimeter from this end to this end. So this is the radius of the hemispherical portion. Half of 2.8 is 1.4, 1.4. So this is 1.4 and this is 1.4. So from 5, 2.8 is subtracted. So this is the length of the cylindrical part, 2.2 centimeter. What is given to us? Diameter of gulab jamun is equals to 2.8 centimeter. So therefore radii of cylinder and hemisphere R is equals to 2.8 by 2, that is 1.4 centimeter. Yes. And length of gulab jamun is equals to 5 centimeter. So therefore length of cylindrical part, can you see that? Cylindrical part H is equals to 5 minus 1.4 and 1.4, that is 2.8, that is 2.2 centimeter. We have the dimensions. Can we find the volume? But he says find the volume of sugar syrup. Volume of sugar syrup is equals to 30% of volume of one gulab jamun. Yes or no? So therefore volume of sugar syrup for 45 gulab jamuns is equals to 45 multiplied by 30% of volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. Yes or no? So 45 multiplied by 30 upon 100, percentage is converted into volume of cylinder pi r square h plus volume of two hemispheres 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. Can you see that? Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere, and because two hemispheres are there, we have multiplied it by 2. And 30%, 30 upon 100, 45, because it was not one gulab jamun, there were 45 gulab jamuns. Can you do the calculation? Just take common. Leave the calculations for the last step. It will help you. What is common? Pi is common, r square common, pi and r cube. Pi and r square common. What is left? H plus 2 2s are 4 by 3 r. Simplify. 0 and 0 cancel. 45 into 3 by 10 into pi. Does he want us to use pi as something? No. Use 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r square. How much is r? 1.4. So 14 upon 10 into 14 upon 10. I remove the decimal. Into x, height of the cylindrical part. 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into r. 1.4. Yes? 7 ones are, 7 twos are. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. 5 ones are, 5 nines are. Yes? 9 into 3 into 22 into 14 upon 10 into 10 into 2.2 plus 4 into 1.3. 4 fours are 4 fours are 16, carry 1. 4 ones are 4 and 1 5.3. Can we remove the decimal? Take the LCM. So what is the LCM? 3. And we do it over here itself. 3 is the LCM. So this becomes 2.2 multiplied by 3, 6.6. Right? So 9 into 3 into 22 into 14 into 6.6 and 5.6, 6 and 6 12, 2 carry 1 and 6 and 5 12, 2 upon 10 into 10 into 3. 3 and sorry. 3 and 3 cancel. Can we multiply and put down the decimal places? That's it. Correct? This was important. 45 into 30%. Clear? Take a look at question number 4. A pen stand is made of wood in the shape of a cylinder. In the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. This is a pen stand, for example. This is a duster. It is in the shape of a cuboid. Right? Now I want to hold a pen into this. But I cannot hold. If there is a groove in that, we can hold it. You must have seen cricket teams playing. They have a base and they put wickets into that. And what is the end of the wicket? It is conical in shape so that it can easily go into it, easily fit into it. Yes? So that is the question. The dimensions of this cuboid are 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5. 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. And then he says the radius of each of the depression is 0.5 and depth is 1.4. Question number 6. Sorry, question number not 6, 4. Question number 4. Dimensions of cuboid. Length of cuboid L equals to 15 centimeter. Width of cuboid. Width of cuboid B is equals to 10 centimeter and depth of cuboid H is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Radius of conical depression small r is equals to 0.5 centimeter and height is equals to 1.4 centimeter. Yes? So I will name them as capital L, B and H. L, B and H. Height of conical depression small h is equals to 1.4 centimeter. Isn't it? The volume of wood left. So therefore, volume of wood left is equals to volume of cuboid. Yes or no? From this cuboid, volume of cuboid, we will take out 4 cones minus volume of 4 cones, because volume is taken away. In the previous exercise, surface area, the surface area was added. Here the cones are taken away, so it is going to be subtracted. The volume of cuboid formula L into B into H minus 4 into volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square H. Substitute the value L 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 by 3 into pi 22 by 7 into r square 0.5 into 0.5 into H 1.4. Isn't it? 15 5s are 75, carry 7. 15 3s are 45, 45 and 7, 52 and multiplied by 10, so 525 minus, right? Decimal is gone. 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7, remove the decimal places, 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 14 by 10. Correct? Solve. 7 ones are, 7 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 and 2 cancel, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 11s are. Can you see that? Cancellations. So easy calculations, they are not difficult. 2 twos are 4, or you can do simple subtraction now. 525 minus 4 11s are 44, everything is cancelled out. 44 upon 3 into 10, 30. 44 by 3, and then you can divide 525 minus 44 by 3. So 344 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 1, carry down 4. 3 fours are 12. 2 decimal 0. 3 6 are 18. 6 0 it will continue. 14.6, so it will be 1.46. Can be subtracted? Centimeter cube. Calculation is not going to be tough. It is what you have to apply. Right? Take a look at question number 6 and question number 7. They are on the flow of water. Water is being taken away. What does he say? A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. This is an inverted cone and it is a vessel. So that means we can fill some liquid into it. Yes, this is a vessel. Right? And he says inverted cone, its height is 8 cm and radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm. The height of this cone is 8 cm. Height of cone capital H is equals to 8 cm and radius of cone capital R is equals to 5 cm. Both things are given to us. Then he says that it is filled with water up to the brim. Water is filled over here up to the brim, full water. Yes? Now, whenever it is filled up to the brim, we know if you put in anything into it, some amount of water is going to come down. He says, when lead shots, each of it is a sphere of radius 0.5. Now, in this, spheres are dropped, whose radius is given to us 0.5. Radius of spheres. Radius of spheres is equals to 0.5 centimeter, small r. Definitely you must have heard, you must have read the story of thirsty crow in your lower classes, pre-primary, primary, right? That thirsty crow put the pebbles into the pot and the level of water rose. Why? The volume, the space was occupied by those pebbles. Now here, since the water is all up to the brim, when we are going to put the pebbles, water is going to fall out. And how much water is falling out? See, what does he say? He says 0.5 cm dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots. So therefore, volume of water flowing out is equals to volume of n number of lead shots. Correct or not? Whatever is the volume of these lead shots, that much volume of water is falling out. And how much volume of water is falling out? 1/4 of this vessel. How much water is falling out? That is equals to 1/4 volume of cone is equals to n multiplied by volume of spherical shots. Yes, he is telling you 1/4 of the volume of water is falling out. So 1/4 into volume of cone, 1/3 pi r square h is equals to number of lead shots n multiplied by volume of one lead shot. What shape is the lead shot? Sphere. So 4/3 pi r cube. Everything is given. Just substitute the values. Pi and pi cancel from both the places because all terms are in multiplication. By 3 and by 3 cancel. Substitute the values. 1/4 into capital R. Capital R is 5 into 5 into capital H. Capital H is 8 is equals to n into 4 into small r. 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Can we remove the decimal places? Transpose them and remove the decimal places. 5 into 5 into 8 into upon this 4. This 4 is a multiplication, comes into division, is equals to n into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10. I have transposed this 4 over here. Yes, transpose. Can you see 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5 cancel. Transpose the rest of the parts. 8 into 10 into 10 into 10. 1, 2, 3 come in multiplication. Upon 4 into 4 into 5 is equals to n. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 fours are 8, 2 and 4 cancel, 10 tens are 100. How many lead shots? 100 lead shots are going to be dropped. Yes, these are questions, students, based on our daily application. They are not new. They are based on our daily applications. We have used it in lower classes. They are not new. Take a look at the last question of the exercise. That also we can discuss. Question number 7. A solid containing right circular cone of height something and everything is given to you over there. What does he say? A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter is standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter. A cone of height and radius is standing on a hemisphere. This is a cone standing on a hemisphere. What is given to us? Height of cone small h is equals to 120 centimeter. Radius is the radius of both of them same. Radius of cone and hemisphere r is equals to 60 centimeter. This is the radius and this is the height. Right? Correct. Then he says this solid is placed upright into right circular cylinder. This solid is hold up and it is placed on a cylinder which is full of water. Full of water such that its top touches the bottom. Now this is placed into a cylinder and such that it touches the bottom and the cylinder exactly fits in. In the next statement you will read it. This is the cylindrical part. Right? He says, find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 and height is 180. Height is 180 centimeter and radius is 60 centimeter. Is the radius of all three the same? Is the radius of all three the same? He says, find the volume of water left. So what are we going to do? Volume of cylinder minus volume of this wall. Isn't it? Yes or no? Height of cylindrical part, capital H is equals to 180 centimeter and radius of cylindrical part is the same. Radius of cylindrical part small r is equals to 60 centimeter. The symbol is same because the radius is same. So volume of water left is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus hemisphere. Yes or no? From this cylindrical part we will subtract the volume of cone and hemisphere. Volume of cylinder pi small r square h minus volume of cone 1 by 3 pi small r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Right? Take things common. You can see pi r square, pi r cube. We can take pi r square common from all the terms. What is left? Capital H minus 1 by 3 pi r square is common h plus 2 by 3 pi r square is common, r is left. Do we have all the quantities? Just substitute the quantities, you get the answer. So students, in this exercise also you have to just add, subtract the combination of the figures. Clear? So I hope you will be able to do these questions. Correct? Thank you.